Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Iqbal Maulana from 11 TAV1. Here I want to describe and I want to explain how to use the solar paste. If you don't know what is solar paste, if you don't know how to use it, just watch the video until end. Alright, check it out. Right, the first I'm going to describe the solar paste. I have the big size and the small size. Okay, the solar paste like that. Right, okay. So, what is the solar paste? The solar paste is a material used in the soldering or soldering process. It is a paste mixture that usually consists of solder metal, flux, and bonding agent. Solar paste is used to help connect two electronic components by melting the solder at a high temperature, which then cool and from strong electrical connection. The flux in solar paste helps clean metal surface and prevent oxidation during the soldering process. Solar paste is available in various types and formulation of various soldering applications. Alright, now I will explain how to use solar paste. The first, prepare the tool and material you want to use. Here we use solder and of course a solar paste. Remaining for you, if you use solder, you have to be careful because the solder is very hot. If it comes in contact with your skin, it will be dangerous, so be careful. Okay, connect the cable to the socket and wait for the solder to heat up. Then apply the solder paste to your component you want to connect, like that. Right? Okay, and then place the hot solder to the component that has been treated with solder paste. Wait until the chain cools down. After finishing using the solder and the component, don't forget to clear the solder and component from the remaining solder paste. Right. Using the solder paste can prevent damaged component due the solder being too hot. So let's use the solder paste. Alright guys, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and thanks for your attention. See ya!